Here's how you can make accounts for yourself and your children on a PS5 console. As a parent or guardian, you'll need an account for yourself first, so you'll be able to create, access, and manage parental controls for your kids. If you don't have an account, start with creating a new one by selecting Add User at the startup screen. Select Get Started, read and accept the System Software License Agreement, and then choose Create an Account. It's important to enter your correct date of birth because confirming this date is one way to recover access to your account if you forget your password. Select your country or region and your preferred language. It's also important that you enter an email address you have access to. Otherwise, you won't be able to verify and use your account. Choose a unique password that you don't use with other accounts and enter it twice. Watch the password strength indicators and be sure to enter a strong password. Follow the on-screen directions to add your name, location, and select an avatar image for your account. Create a unique online ID that will identify you to PSN players that you interact with in games and messages. Do not include any personal information in your online ID. If you're not sure what to choose, you can select one of the suggestions on the screen. It's possible to change your online ID later. The first change is free, and additional changes are available for a fee. There are 4 preset profiles you can choose from for your privacy settings. You can select a profile and use it as is, or you can customize it to fit your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish account creation. At the end, an email will be sent to the address that you provided. Follow the directions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, you'll be able to use your account on your PS5 console. We recommend adding 2-step verification to help keep your account secure. Adding a mobile phone number will give you another way to recover account access if you forget your password. Now that you have an adult account, you can create one for a child. The 2 accounts will be linked together in a family where you can manage their parental controls. Select your avatar image in the upper right and press the cross button to view this menu. Select Switch User, followed by Add User, Get Started, read and accept the System Software License Agreement, and then choose Create an Account. Account creation will be different after you've entered your child's date of birth. It's important that your child's date of birth is entered correctly because it allows PlayStation to tailor the experience appropriately for their age. Additionally, your child will be eligible to upgrade to an adult account when they come of age. When prompted, choose your own account and confirm your password to become the family manager of this new account. From there, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your child's date of birth and complete the creation of their account. Each email address can only be associated with one account, so you'll need to separate email addresses for you and your child. You'll be able to choose their privacy settings, adjust their parental controls, and even set a playtime schedule for them. Your child will have to follow the instructions sent by email to verify their email address before they can sign in to PlayStation Network. Repeat these steps for each member of your household so everyone can experience PlayStation 5 with their own account.
PlayStation